What happens when a self-proclaimed hotel investigator walks into a migrant hotel in Scotland with a live stream rolling? You're about to witness one of the most tense and racially charged encounters we've ever covered, where cultural tensions explode, accusations of racism fly, and the police get called for what starts as a simple inspection, but quickly spirals into something much more controversial. Buckle up.
I can help you.
You alright, buddy? How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, okay. I'll have to go outside.
Is that sir?
Can you go outside, please?
What's this?
No, you're not allowed in the hotel, sir.
What's that, mate?
You're not allowed in the hotel.
What's that, buddy?
You're going to have to phone the police.
For what?
You're not allowed in the hotel.
You alright, gentlemen?
Sam, to phone the police, please. I've asked them to leave and they won't leave.
Hello? How are you?
Can you please leave the hotel?
What's that, buddy?
Can you please leave the hotel?
I've come to do an inspection.
We don't, where's your ID?
What are you doing? Touching me
I'm
for?
not touching you, I'm trying
Who
to
are
stop
you?
you from going out the
Who are
hotel.
you?
I'm security.
You're security?
Yeah.
I've come to do an investigation today.
Well, can you investigate outside first while we get someone to clarify your...
No, I don't need to do that. I'm here now.
No,
Hello,
you're-
gentlemen.
You've been asked to leave the building.
How are you doing?
Please.
How you doing, gentlemen? Everything is good in the hotel?
Can you please leave the building, sir?
What's that, buddy?
Can you please leave the building?
Yeah, I'm just having a little walk around, mate.
No, you're not entitled to walk around. You're not allowed in the hotel. It's not.
I'm in here now, buddy.
Yeah, I know, but you're please can you leave the hotel?
I'm in here now, mate. What's through here?
Sorry, you're not allowed in the hotel.
No, not through there.
Can you please leave the hotel, please?
What's that, buddy?
The police are on their way.
That's all right. How you doing, mate? You all right? Right. Yeah. Who are you? Who are you?
Go ahead.
Please.
No, I don't take orders from him.
It's not an order, sir. It's a request.
I'm not taking a request from you either, buddy. Who are you, buddy?
Come on, you've got no right to be
What's
on
that,
this.
mate?
Yes, it is.
I don't have to answer to this guy, mate.
Can you please leave the building, sir?
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm all right.
You good?
I'm
But
good.
so how is hotel?
Huh?
How is hotel?
It's all right.
It's good. How long have you been in hotel for?
About
Don't talk. Go away.
This is an investigation on this hotel. I see it's very bad condition there.
It's an investigation.
Can you please leave the building?
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, I'm
I've asked
investigating you.
Numerous occasions to leave the building, you've not done it.
I'm a hotel investigator.
He reckons he's a hotel. He's not actually threatening.
No, exactly, see? I'm not threatening you, see?
Sorry, you can't get in there, sir.
I'm in here now, buddy.
That's
So
the
is this,
ki- that's
wet?
the
Is this the
kitchen.
food?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, let me go and check.
No, you can't.
I need to inspect the
You
food
can't
now.
Inspect the food, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
What's your name, buddy? You're not showing me no ID or anything?
No, you never showed me either.
I don't need to show you,
No, I
yeah?
don't need to show
What's this
you.
laptop doing there?
It's none of
Whose
your
is that? Is that one of the migrants there working, is it? Is that one of the migrants there working?
Sorry, can you
Is that what's happening
please
there,
get
is
out of
it?
this area, please?
No, buddy, I'm inspecting.
You're not inspecting.
I am inspecting.
You're not.
I'm the hotel investigator. I've travelled a long way to investigate this hotel. What time is dinner served?
Another mentally ill white man.
Can you
That's
please?
it. Mentally ill white man, yeah? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not the one selling out my country, am I? I'm the one that's doing good for my country, yeah?
You're not really welcome in this one, to be honest with you.
Where? Not really welcome where?
Scotland.
I'm not welcome in Scotland.
Yeah.
Is that
Just
really?
You would be the coloniser.
Really?
Say that, that's fine.
You've been
Really?
asked numerous occasions
Can
to
I
leave, sir.
can I get a drink?
I'll bring one out to you.
Go on then, get me a...
No, I'll go outside and I'll bring
What's
one
that,
out.
buddy?
They're welcome, you're not.
Really? Refugees are welcome, but
Yeah.
British people are not?
Yeah.
Okay, British people are not welcome, but refugees are welcome. What makes you say that, miss?
What? Because I'm not having this argument with an Englishman.
Why not? Why not?
Can you please leave the hotel, sir?
Are you racist? Are you racist or something?
Yeah.
You are racist. So you're making racist comments towards me, yeah? Is that what you've just done on camera, yeah? You've just given yourself a jail time sentence. You do know that, yeah?
Oh, so you're the victim here?
I am here. Look, I'm just live streamed. You're all over to Europe.
You're not welcome in this building.
Listen,
The
you're
police
just
are coming
you
for
have
you
just
just now, sir.
the police can't do nothing, buddy.
They can remove you from
I'm
the
making
hotel.
you uncomfortable.
You're not allowed in.
Do you know what? Let me tell you this. The country has many unidentified men in this country that make them feel unidentified. Yeah? And maybe you should tell that to some of your other guests.
No, they're welcome.
Yeah. That's what you reckon.
Right, sir, can you please leave?
What time is dinner served? I'll come back for dinner. Mate, don't keep touching me, buddy.
You keep barging into
Listen,
me.
no, I'm not. I'm a barging
won't-
into
you won't-
Don't
you won't
tell
leave the
lies.
hotel.
Don't tell. You're
You
all
will
on
not
camera,
leave
you
the
know.
hotel.
Listen,
You've been asked.
this one has just made racist
Umpteen
comments
times.
towards me.
That's none of my concern.
It's
My
none of your
concern
concern.
is-
You should, what do you mean? So,
What do you mean? What do you mean?
So you can't make a racist comment then,
So
no?
you don't think there's a difference between nationality and ethnicity, no?
What's that?
Do you not know the difference between nationality?
Of course I do, but for you to say that an English person is not welcome, yeah, that's not very nice, is it? How would you like it if you was in London, if you was in England and I turned around and I said to you, Scottish people are not welcome?
The girl doesn't want to speak with you.
Buddy, that your laptop, mate, yeah? That's your laptop, yeah? I thought so. Obviously, this is the Bruce Hotel flagship. Welcome to the AY show. Welcome to the AY show. It's okay, it's no problem. I'm not causing no trouble.
You've been asked to leave the hotel and you won't.
Police are on their way.
Okay, police can come. No problem. No problem. Yeah?
Okay,
I haven't broken any laws.
Can you wait outside for them?
Well, wait here now. Can I get a chair?
No, you're not. You shouldn't be in the building.
How you doing, buddy? Where you come from, sir?
He doesn't want to speak to you.
How do you know? He's got his own mind. He's a human.
Because if he wanted to speak, he would speak.
But he's a human.
I know he's a human.
Exactly. So if he wants to talk, he can talk.
But he doesn't want to
You
talk.
don't, but you're answering for him.
I'm not answering for him.
You are, because you're saying he doesn't want to talk. How do you know he doesn't want to talk?
Because you've asked him numerous questions.
No,
and
I
he's
haven't.
not-
I've
he's
asked
not-
him one question.
He's not answered you once.
I've asked one question.
But you kept asking
Yeah,
him.
no, one question I've
But he's
asked
still
him.
not answered
No,
that question.
one question. What's your name? Anthony.
It is, yes.
Yes, okay. Where's your SIA licence, Anthony? Where is it?
It's on my person.
Show it. Put it on display.
It's on
Like
display.
it's meant to be legally on display.
Well, it's on
when you are
display.
entered I want to check it's in date.
It's because you've bounced into
I never bounced into you. Don't tell lies,
Check my
man.
ID.
You are?
You're not checking my ID. You haven't even showed me.
Well done. And what's your name? What's your name? Stick your middle finger up. Thank you very much. Well done. Thank you very much. Listen, all I ask, if the police come, just tell the truth. I haven't been violent.
No, you've not
I haven't
been
been
violent.
aggressive, and I haven't been swearing or anything.
No,
That's all I ask. You know what I
Well,
mean?
that's all you've done. Will you please leave and then?
Exactly. You know, I haven't been violent or aggressive or swearing or anything. Sir, are you resident in hotel? Are you the resident in the hotel?
Yes, I'm living here.
Oh yes, good. How long you been living?
Don't talk to him, come in.
Buddy, I'm the hotel investigator.
not
I am. They don't want you to talk to me because they don't want you to tell me information about the hotel. You are very bad, you are. You are traitor as well. I'll best get my charger out now, just in case. The police are there. She's there in her pink tracksuit, look, she's there. The police is coming. We'll wait for them. If they want to come to me, they can come to me. Oh, they're coming. You all right, buddy? I was going to walk up to you, but
It's all right. It's okay.
Yeah,
No worries, sir.
yeah.
Are you recording us yet?
Yeah,
Just so-
yeah.
Just so we're all aware, that's all right.
Yeah.
No issues with that, okay.
Yeah, no
Is that
problem.
Live or is it just for your own use?
So this is. I'm making a documentary on the hotel,
Right. Okay.
on the Bruce
Right,
flagship
okay.
hotel.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm making a documentary on that.
All right.
And that's it. This one is live at the moment. Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
all right. Were you actually in the hotel itself?
Yeah, I went inside the hotel.
Were you
Yeah.
asked to leave by the staff?
Yeah, I'm outside now, aren't I?
Yeah, aye.
Yeah.
No, I'm just checking out.
Yeah.
I wasn't
I won't go
okay.
back in there now.
Right, okay.
Obviously, I'm outside, aren't I? Yeah.
Obviously, staff phoned us because they were obviously a bit concerned because I think you were in and you were speaking
Mate.
to their kind of some of those. Obviously, see, as a hotel like that, they have a right to ask anyone to leave.
And I left.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to ask for some of your details, sir, and we'll kind of leave it at that. Okay.
Yeah. Have I committed any crimes or anything?
Well, see, at this moment,
Yeah.
potentially,
Go
I
on
don't
then.
know, and I'm
I
just
haven't
trying-
committed any crimes or
Well,
anything. So if you want to check, because I'm a bit
I'll-
reluctant to give my details, to be honest with you. So I'd like to know under what grounds and what sections.
Well, I'm
then you are.
investigating possibly
Yeah.
a report of a crime.
What crime
okay?
is that you're reporting?
Well,
you're
potentially
investigating?
There could be a section 38.
Section
potentially
30?
38 Criminal Justice Licence Scotland Act.
Yeah, okay.
Which would be causing fear and alarm.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Now-
What, from a
now-
man?
Listen.
I've looked into this already
Yeah,
before I've come, yeah?
Okay, that's fine.
Ultimately, the hotel itself is their dwelling address. That's where they live.
Yeah.
Sorry, just watch your back.
You
You
get
got
a
wasp in your food.
on you.
Yeah.
That's you there.
Okay.
It's not what you-
So I'll just explain something to you. This operates with a C1 license. It's
Still on you, wasp.
after my aftershave, isn't it? Why can't it go after you, lot?
Usually it does, right?
So I've checked already, yeah, so on the council register, it's issued with a C1 licence.
Yeah.
So that makes it publicly accessible, yeah, into communal areas. So I've only been in the communal areas.
staff can still ask you to
They can
leave.
ask me to leave and I've left.
Yeah, that's fine.
And a person videoing
Yeah.
in a publicly accessible area.
no issue with you videoing, I'm
So
not saying
cannot,
it
so then that there cannot be used as a thing to say that I'm causing alarm and distress,
Sure.
or any
You're
sort of.
You're saying you're trying to access where the canteen is, where the staff members work.
No, I wasn't. No, it's all open. Yeah, so I was going to look at the food. Yeah, it's all open. I never went into no private areas, no staff only areas. Yeah, nothing of the sort. And it's all on video, and it's all on live stream, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the video then that would obviously disprove any
Of course,
allegations?
if they've made any allegations against me.
Okay,
Perfect.
are you
Could
okay
you
to
show us
show-
then that?
Hold on, so what allegations have they made against me then?
Just said that you've obviously been walking around and tried to access the kitchen area.
So if you, do you mind just showing
No.
us the video, sir, and we can kind of put
That's
this
us.
to bed?
Oh. Pick up with that.
No, 1 second, yeah, because that's not illegal. I'm in the Let's go up there quickly and I'll show you where I was. Yeah, because that's not right.
They don't want you back in the
Okay,
hotel.
I'm not going back in the hotel anyway. But you need to ask them. You need to speak to them. I wasn't where they was cooking the food.
Right.
I was where they was dishing the food up. That's a publicly accessible area.
Yeah.
So if one of you want to go and check, I wasn't in the kitchen. I was not in no private area whatsoever. I think they've got their wires crossed. So I just want you to double check.
So in
Because
relation-
if I turn this off and it deems to be a false allegation, then I will be expecting you, to make some sort of complaint
In relation
about
to
making a false allegation.
The CCTV is in the hotel, it's in the lobby, it's not in where that canteen would be. Obviously, if you've recorded
No,
yourself...
but you can ask them, can't you? Because I haven't been in the kitchen.
So, I'm speaking to staff members, they say-
Go and speak to them then, and I'll just sit here and wait here, yeah? Well, they've said I was in the... I think you've got the wires crossed when they've said the kitchen area to where the canteen area is. That's what I'm trying to get at, yeah? I'm not, I'm not...
That's fine. Is there a particular reason you're reluctant to give any of your details? I'm curious on that. It's like, I'm not accusing you of anything at this moment. I'm just trying to sort all this out so everyone can go about their business peacefully. All right?
Yeah. It's because I don't believe I've done anything illegal, to warrant for me to give you my contact details, to be honest with you.
Right.
Unless I've committed any crimes, which I haven't, and I just think you've got it mixed up when they've said kitchen and canteen. They've just mixed it up. So I would ask you to double check, before we go down the route of obviously stopping cameras, rewinding stuff, checking stuff, because I haven't been into no private areas. And if I do that and I stop the camera from rolling, then and we prove it to be a false allegation, then I would expect the police.
But it's not even so much a false allegation. It's like we're trying to establish what are the
but then I would.
circumstances.
It is a
ultimately
false
that is the best
allegation.
evidence.
Well, that's not a crime. That's not a
No, but
crime.
that's the best evidence
That's
for
not
me
a crime,
to
though,
prove
is
that
it?
no crime has been committed.
But that's not a crime, though,
And
is
you've
it?
already, your GoPro is still recording, so you can still record.
No, I
Like,
need to keep
check
it
that.
live. Sorry,
Why would that?
the kids are. I don't really want to get too many of the kids. Yeah? I don't want to get too many of the kids, to be honest with you.
I'm looking to
No. Listen, sir, I'm going to go back to speak to staff. But ultimately,
I'll wait here. Not a problem. Yeah.
Hang fire a couple of minutes. All right.
Okay.
Listen, we'll go back and speak to staff. I'm happy the fact that they've asked you to leave. If you've left, you can go about your daily business. Obviously, if this is what you're trying to do, I'd obviously just say be mindful, be very careful when you're entering. As soon as the if the staff come and ask you to leave, you need to leave, all right? Because ultimately it is, people live there, it is classed essentially would be a private.
I know the rules and the laws.
I get that, but so do I, all right? So,
And before
ultimately, we just want everyone just to live peacefully, all right? So that's ultimately all we want, all right?
Okay, not a problem.
And that means everyone gets to go about their daily business without impacting on anyone else, all right?
Exactly.
Okay?
Nice
All
to
right?
meet you, officer.
So,
What's your name and number?
You can have my shoulder number. Which is
I
right
can't
there.
read it, so I need you to tell me it.
For your TikTok live, is that what it's for?
No, I just need it.
Why do you need it?
Because I need it. I need
Why,
to
you-
document all my encounters with the police, you see.
Yeah,
And
but then I need to document all my encounters with the public.
Yeah,
You won't give me your details.
But that's not in my policy to give you my... It's in
Not
your...
in our policy. You can see my
Well, it's-
shoulder number. I don't have to physically say my shoulder number to you.
You have to-
It is right there for you.
Okay, what's
and
your
you
name
can see
then?
it.
What's your
You
name
don't
then?
need my name.
And where
All
you
you need-
stationed at?
All you need is my shoulder
Where
number.
you stationed at?
Yeah?
Where you stationed?
East Kilbride Police Office.
Okay. And yourself, sir?
Also, it's got to be a police office. Likewise, it's there.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
All right.
against it.
Okay, you have a good day, yeah?
You have a good day and look
See
after
you later.
yourself. Stay
Bye-bye.
safe.
Yeah,
Okay?
you have a good day as well.
And there you have it. One of the most complex and emotionally charged body cam encounters we've analyzed this year. What started as Danny's attempt to investigate the Bruce Hotel flagship quickly devolved into a heated exchange that touches on some of the most sensitive issues facing modern Britain today. Let's break down what actually happened here from a legal standpoint. Danny claimed he was conducting a hotel investigation under a C1 license, which he correctly stated makes certain communal areas publicly accessible. However, here's the crucial legal point most people miss. Even in publicly accessible areas of private premises, staff absolutely have the right to ask anyone to leave, and failure to comply can constitute trespassing. The most shocking moment came when the hotel worker made that inflammatory comment about English people not being welcome in Scotland while stating refugees are welcome. This created a perfect storm of cultural tension that Danny immediately seized upon, accusing her of racism. Now here's where it gets legally interesting. While her comments were certainly provocative and arguably discriminatory based on nationality, the legal threshold for racial harassment under Section 38 of the Criminal Justice and Licensing Scotland Act requires proving intent to cause fear and alarm. What's fascinating about the police response is how professionally they handled this powder keg situation. The officers recognized Danny's rights to film in public areas while also acknowledging the hotel's legitimate concerns. Notice how the lead officer didn't immediately take sides, but instead focused on fact-finding, asking to review the footage and clarifying exactly where Danny had been in the hotel. Danny's knowledge of his legal rights was actually quite impressive. He correctly identified that filming in publicly accessible areas isn't grounds for causing alarm and distress charges, and he smartly refused to provide his details without clear evidence of wrongdoing. His challenge to prove any false allegations shows someone who's clearly done his homework on police encounter law. But here's what really struck me about this entire incident. It perfectly encapsulates the broader tensions around immigration, cultural integration, and free speech that are simmering across the UK right now. Danny's livestream wasn't just about hotel conditions. It became a flashpoint for deeper societal divisions. The hotel worker's reaction reveals something troubling about how some people view nationality versus citizenship. Her statement that refugees are welcome but British people are not isn't just offensive. It exposes a fundamental misunderstanding of what equal treatment means in a diverse society. From a broader perspective, this encounter raises serious questions about accountability in publicly funded accommodation. If taxpayer money is supporting these facilities, shouldn't there be reasonable transparency about conditions and operations? Danny's methods may have been confrontational, but his underlying questions about public access and oversight aren't unreasonable. The police ultimately handled this exactly right. They de-escalated tensions, gathered facts, and reminded everyone of their rights and responsibilities. No arrests, no drama, just professional law enforcement doing their job. This case perfectly illustrates why body cam footage is so valuable. It shows us the real, unfiltered interactions happening on our streets and helps us understand the complex challenges facing both law enforcement and communities dealing with rapid demographic changes. If you found this case as shocking and thought-provoking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments about whether you think Danny was justified in his actions, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping body cam breakdowns that expose what's really happening in Britain today.